Olin and Samene. In net for the Toros. They've been, it's out to Harder now on the point. Harder, a shot in, it's stopped by Abramson, still loose, and it's in, and they score. Moving with speed in the far side circle. Rapidness centering chance goes into the glove of Brooks Curry. Back in the bottom of the circle. Now Ronis goes far side over to Miller. Miller, a shot from the top of the circle, a shot in, it's still loose. No goal, it hit off the post. So chance there for Dubé, but it goes right off the post, and Mason City has a 3-on-2 the other way. Sam Mene, a shot, gets off a stick, batted down, and now Mason City scores. Cantaris nearly stripped away at the for a chance. Here's Cantaris actually. On top of the circle, chance in front, glove down by Abramson, then he bats it out of midair and scores. But it was just wide, and he'll have to work out his own zone with under 30 seconds remaining. Easton Schmidt, rink wide pass to Olsen. Olsen, a pass to Fletcher goes way in front of him, and it'll go into the zone. And a clearing attempt held in by Schmidt. Schmidt, a shot in, and a puck redeflected, a centering chance, nobody there. Schmidt, again a shot, blocked again by Mason City. And this one clearing all the way down. It looks like it's on net. It'll go just wide right. Brooks Curry, who's stopped 48 of 49.